If black takes here knight c3, we go bishop d2, winning the knight on c3 back, and then we will have a choice to take it with bishop and to take it with pawn. And most of the time taking with pawn suddenly here becomes even stronger. Why? Let's say black goes here e6. We take bc3, keeping this center very strong. So c3 pawns defends the d4, d4 defends the e5. We have already developed two bishops, queen on f3 is doing good job, and it's not a problem that we don't have knight f3. Knight is going whether to e2 and short castle, and somewhere we are going to play with f5. Because after we move the knight and short castle, our queen on f3, rook on f1, also bishop on d3, yeah, all these support our f5 move. But also we can develop this knight to h3. Knight h3 short castle, and on h3 is also good, because after f5, again knight can go to f4 as well as to g5, attacking the f7 pawn. And here we have very big advantage. Black also has no time for playing some c5, trying to get some counterplay in the queen side because of c4. With tempo on opponent queen on a5, opening the bishop on d2, and we are so ahead in development that here black's position soon will be collapsed. They cannot open the position when their all pieces are on the 8th rank. Otherwise, after e6 bc3, next move we go knight h3, going short castle, and f5, knight f4 or knight g5. After bishop d3, knight c3, bishop d2, black can try here to play queen b6. With the idea, when we take bc3, try to go queen b2, attacking the a1 rook, forcing us to go queen d1 back. But our queen on f3 is doing so good job, especially after we go short castle and f5, so we are fine to sacrifice this pawn. Opponent came here to take this pawn on a2, okay, take it, just rook d1. Takes queen a2, and now we can go knight h3, yeah, knight e2. But from the previous videos, you already know that we can also go f5 here right away. f5, next move we are going knight e2 or even h3, which seems better because of knight g5 move. And then black has another problem. The thing is that if we go short castle next, here we are not just attacking and crushing opponent's position with f6 or e6 or knight g5, but also we want to trap this queen on a2. We want to play next move rook a1, queen b2 and rook b1. So queen here will be trapped. So after f5, black has to deal not only with their weak king and their all pieces which are left on the 8th rank, but also how to save this queen on a2. And here it's not just compensation, it's not just advantage, black's position is just lost. You will be surprised probably, because I was also surprised when I saw engine evaluation. It's not just showing +1, +2, it's showing +5. We are pawn down, nothing much has happened, but because of such a strong initiative, engine thinks that black's position is absolutely lost, and it's real. After knight h3 short castle, yeah, rook a1, we want to trap this queen, we want to play e6, f6, and no way for black to survive with this king on e8, queen on a2, which is almost trapped there, and all black pieces on the 8th rank. So after queen f3, d5, bishop d3, knight c3, we go bishop d2. Next we can take with bishop, but it's better to take with b pawn. And then we have very strong initiative. Somewhere we are going to play with f5. Most of the time we can go knight e2, but knight h3 is even better. So we have a choice, knight f4 or knight g5.